412 days still in New Holland. Film grid trading at 49%, which is neutral. And Bitcoin is currently trading at 24.2k dollars. 3 days ago, I made an episode that I was thinking, damn, we're trading below 20k. We literally 3 days ago was trading below the 20k, and I was thinking it's gonna take literally 2 months to go back to the 25k, because again, we still was bullish because monthly MACD is still bullish, and we still gonna reach 30k 100% on a pivot point from red phase to the green phase, because the monthly momentum is just huge. So I was thinking, damn, it's gonna like take 2 months, like it's 2015 like prolonged reversal, but damn, 3 days and we're back above 24k on a Bitcoin. Obviously a black swan happened. Nobody expecting that the whole banking system will collapse. So yeah, after like literally the next day I made an episode, and the Silicon Valley Bank, like one of the biggest banks, like literally collapsed, went bankrupt, and now the whole banking system is collapsing. Like Citigroup is currently down 5% on the day. I mean, pretty much all of the banks on a yearly time frame is down, except for the JP Morgan is currently up 3% on a 1 year time frame, but pretty much today's whole banking sector is red, big time red. So yeah, and obviously Bitcoin is profiting from this a lot, because blockchain is not going bankrupt. You cannot kill the miners, miners, there's millions of miners. They are diversified by the geographics in all of the countries. So, everybody is now feeling safer in the Bitcoin, and Bitcoin dominance is pumping. It's pumping big time compared to even altcoin dominance. So yeah, Bitcoin is actually about to make it's actually made a new local high. So yeah, Bitcoin dominance is currently making a new local high. So yeah, people even moving from altcoins and the stable coins, especially from USDC was USDC stable coin depegged. Again, the next day I made an episode, because it was like it was working with the Silicon Valley Bank. And also be careful with exchanges, because a lot of exchanges are backed by the banks. So a cold wallet is the most safest thing that you can do. And obviously Bitcoin is just the most diversified, the most protected cryptocurrency that is out there. If you're gonna be storing that on a blockchain, on a cold wallet, you're gonna be so safe. And obviously in the current state Bitcoin is definitely the one that a lot of people are moving now to, and which means then this pump, which means the 25k, which is like less than 1k below it. We're definitely gonna reach 25k, maybe even this month again, if we're gonna have the bullish momentum, if we're not gonna start flattening, but this month or the next month I think is definitely we're gonna reach 25k. But the most important target is obviously 30k. When we're gonna reach the 30k, is this gonna happen on the monthly pivot point? Because if it's gonna be happening on a monthly pivot point, it means we're not gonna be having that big of a pump, because I was hoping to go above the 30k, to have much bigger momentum, which is still possible. We still got like couple of 3, maybe 3, 4 even candles left, red candles left of MACD. Then we should have a pivot point to the first green candle on monthly MACD, which should be the most bullish one. We should see some momentum, but the current price up is definitely pushing this pivot point much closer. So yeah, hoping it's currently Bitcoin's running at 24.3k. Maybe even this week, maybe even today we're gonna reach the 25k. Imagine if it's just gonna go above the 25k. Like literally everybody's withdrawing all of their funds from the banks and moving to the Bitcoin. Damn, and considering how big the banking sector, we're talking trillions of dollars. We're talking now obviously it's not gonna be the whole, they're not gonna move all of the funds. That would be like a new all-time high, but still a lot of funds are floating to the Bitcoin from a whole banking sector. So this is great. This is one of the black swans that is finally is on our side. Because most of the black swan was like FTX collapse, you know, all of that stuff. I even forgot what was the whole COVID crash. Was it COVID crash? What was the next black swan? I forgot. The Tesla selling the Bitcoin. There was a lot of black swans, but most of them were like bearish for us. But now this one is bullish for us. And also CME gap got filled. I'm pretty sure I was talking about that in the last episode. So yeah, getting closer and closer for the pivot point on monthly time frame, which is approximately, I would say 3-4 months is left for the pivot point. And if we're gonna be at 30k maybe in the next candle, then pivot point should be obviously above 30k, maybe even 40. That would be extremely nice. So yeah, to the moon, to the moon, to the moon.